when I go on the TikTok, right, the talk of Tik, and I see there's a massive amount of women and stuff that are watching it, and I don't click into them, but there's a couple like little, when people leave comments, right, I'm sure Ryan can attest to this, and there's a lady this morning, lady said, what can a man do for a woman that a woman can't do for herself? And that was a topic that I wanted to, like, I thought about that and I was going to respond back to it. And I wanted to make something clear, right? Like, especially having 2 daughters now and you, it's an interesting thing because obviously independence is very, very important. Mm-hmm. Right. So when I read that from her, so I kind of understand where she was coming from, almost like a negative spot on it, but I wanted to touch base on it because I think that there's a unique side of it. When I was thinking about this morning, there's me, who's the king of the kingdom, if you will, right? And you're the queen of the kingdom because that's the hierarchy and the status in life we like to live. Then we've got these 2 little kids, 3 kids, but basically these 2 girls who ultimately want to be independent to make sure they can do everything on their own as well. But ultimately you can do more things than I can't do, but there's things that I can do that you can't do either, right? So there's a dynamic of it, no different than like on the business side, or there's things that Kevin over here can do amazing that I can do that I can't do even, or don't even know where to start. And there's things that I can do that he can't do. Not that we couldn't learn them, but it complements skill sets. So when I read that for that lady, I'm like, I don't want the message to come off like fucking, I am He-Man, hear me roar, right? That's not really what it is, but I do believe in leadership, and I believe in complementing one another.